Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Wix website to WordPress. So first you need to do is to open WordPress dashboard. Once you open, you simply need to go on to the tools and click on import. And here you can find Wix option, but as you can see there is no option. So you simply need to go on to the search in plugin directory and search here Wix, and you need to add that on to your WordPress. So you simply need to go on to the featured and search for the Wix, and you can find here, and you simply need to install that onto your WordPress. Once you install, you simply need to go on to the Wix website, and you simply need to copy the domain name, come back here, and simply you need to, let me show you an example, that simply need to install that, and you simply need to paste that here onto the importer. So like this, if you want to import, or you can simply paste that core, paste that domain onto the here, and you simply need to click on import. So this is the process how you can change Wix website to WordPress. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.